Okay, today is May 15th, 2017, and right now at 10 p.m. we have a temperature of 48 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 74%. The barometer is reading 29.92, that's up slightly, and the dew point is 40 degrees. And today we had overcast weather all day with light scattered rain showers, nothing measurable. Every time the rain would start, it would rain for maybe a minute or two and it would stop. Okay, so and we'll show why that is. What's happening here? We're looking first of all at the visible light map for the southwest, and right here we're seeing a transmitter, microwave transmitter, right here, blowing a hole right into the center of an upper level low pressure system. Let's look at the. This is the southwest IR map, and we can see that happening right there. Now, if you look at the water vapor map, pardon me, here's the water vapor map right there. You're hitting right dead center on the vortex of this system. Okay, now when we look at the bigger map here, this is a mid and upper level low. This should be dropping several inches of rain all around the area, all around this region. Instead, we have a transmitter generated blockade, stopping the jet stream, evaporating the jet stream. Down here, we can see the transmitter outline right here. We have a right angle right up here on the center of this system. And we have that transmitter downburst right in the middle of that vortex. Let's take another look at that right here. And look at the blast pattern shooting out to the northeast right there. So that affects the pressure of this low pressure system. That raises the pressure while also destroying the convective process, the organization of the weather system. So this is really good evidence of satellite manipulation going on right here. Okay, let's look at some of the other maps. We have the Northeast Pacific Water Vapor Loop. This up here is a gale. We've got a right angle right on the center of that system. Transmitter is hitting the core of this, the vortex. That's going to split the front away. We can already see that happening right here. Right there, it splits the front away. We've got high pressure right in this area installed. And then we have a transmitter right here leaving a right angle. And we can put the envelope on that right now. Take a look at this. That is a nearly perfect right angle. Right here. Look at that. It's about as good as it gets. Okay, so there's several transmitters at work here. We've got one right out here, which is maintaining high pressure right here in this eastern Pacific area. Here's the western U.S. water vapor loop. You see all that evaporation. Complete manipulation going on here, folks. We should have had about 3 to 4 inches of rain today with this mid and upper level low. Right over California and Nevada. And yet there's no rain on the Doppler map. The green is the precipitation. Look at this. Currently, there's just very little rain despite all that weather. So there it is. Very important evidence. Go ahead and get rid of that. This map is causing a problem once again. Okay, got rid of that. And we can see that manipulation right here. That hole, it's been blown into the center of that system right there. So this is owning the weather in 2017. Very little rain falling, nothing measurable. Got this upper level low spinning. Here's the water vapor map once again. We can see all that evaporation. There is some water vapor right here moving, trying to get into that low pressure vortex, but they've got this thing completely blockaded with a transmitter, and we can see that right angle. This is not getting into that system. It's been blocked. And of course, we have that microwave downburst right into the very center. Okay, so that's pretty much the report. Let's just take a look at some of these other maps. See all that outflow up here from that installed high pressure. This should have brought a lot of rain. Of course, tonight on the news, they will not, these terrorists that are controlling our weather and the puppets on television will not show us this weather. And they will not show us this manipulation right here. So they are part, these people are a part of the cover-up. They're facilitating a cover-up by not reporting this. Okay. Here's the pressure maps. We've got the sea level pressure analysis. We've got low pressure depicted right here over Colorado and Wyoming and Utah. Got the high pressure installed out here, of course. And we have the 500 millibar map showing that mid and upper level low. We can see the squiggly lines all over the place here. That's the transmitter manipulation. Right here in the center of that system, that's where that microwave was hitting this area to weaken that system and prevent the precipitation Southern California needs. We've got a high out just north of the Hawaiian Islands. We have another upper level low right out here over just off of Canada. Same thing. We've got squiggly lines all over the place up there. And we have the 500 millibar map. Same thing. Squiggly lines all over on these isobars. That indicates varying degrees of high and low pressure. And when a microwave transmitter targets this system and superheats the center of that, we see these squiggly lines because the superheated air and water vapor mixes with that cooler low pressure, and we get a lot of erroneous readings here. But these are actually these are correct. This is depicting the activity correctly. These bars should be nice, smooth as glass lines, but we always see this when they're targeting the center with the microwave. So we'll just leave it right here, and that is very, very good evidence. And the puppets on TV won't show us this. That's very good evidence right there. We can see the blast pattern, the superheating process, and that blast pattern right there, which is shooting out radially from the center. Okay, so that's it. We'll do another update tomorrow.